Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Quick Oil and Brake. Today I'm going to service on Subaru Forester 2016. I'm going to change engine oil, and today I'll let you know how to replace the engine oil and how to check engine air filter, and also uh, tell you how to do tire rotation on your vehicle. I already jack up the car as you see, and before you change your oil you have to just warm up your car couple of minutes. I already driven this vehicle, so I just came back, and now I'm going to replace a very warm engine, so I don't need to warm up again. So half the way take off the dipstick, and also lose this one, and one thread, leave it like this, and now we gonna drain the oil first, and I'll show you where and how to drain the oil. Stay stay tuned. So basically, when you go underneath the engine, the vehicle, you see over here there is a 14 millimeter drain plug. You have to remove this one, and then you gonna drain the oil, and I'll show you how to do it. I lose this one 14 millimeter, so I'm going to drain the oil. Okay, so let it drain. Once it's completely drained, we're gonna put the drain plug with the crush washer. Also, I'll show you when I'm putting a crush washer, or it's also called a drain plug seal. It's almost finished. So this is a crush washer. I'm going to replace. You see how it's pressed, and these are the new ones, and these are thicker, and once I take this out I'll show you the difference. So this is the difference. This is the new one, you see, and this one is the old one. That's totally get flat. So I'm putting this one, the new one. So see, the oil almost drained. So now I'm going to put this one. Alright, so this one have to tie it. Okay, I'm gonna show you. I tie it and also clean the oil residue around the unit, so it's nice and dry and clean and properly tied. I have tied with the 20 foot-pound. So this is the one. This is the oil pan, and further if you go this way, so this is the transmission oil pan, and this is the bowl where you remove to drain the transmission fluid. So I'm not going to do this one, just showing you. Okay, get back to the regular oil change. So I'm using basically this one to get in the under the car. So now we have to remove this one. I'm gonna use the plier special to remove the oil filter. So this is the oil filter plier. It's not too tight, but you still can't open with your hand. So we have to carefully, I don't want to drip the oil. Shouldn't be too bad. Yep. Alright. And last time also I change Subaru original oil filter. I always change with the original Subaru oil filter, which is a lot better than buying an aftermarket. Alright, so this is the old one, and the new one I do have. Give you the. This is the new one, and this is the part number. If you want to order, you can have this part number to order your filter. And this is the new filter, and you see the seal. And I'm gonna lubricate a little oil on the top of this seal. Okay, that's it. Now I'm gonna just little wipe out, clean this one. Okay, clean this one, and you just have to hand tight. That's it. You don't need to use this plier or any other plier. Just hand tight. That's it. And now we're gonna put the oil, and oil we're gonna always remember putting a recommended oil. It's a 0W20. So it's better to have a full synthetic. Let me grab it, and I'll show you how many quart I have to fill. So determine how much oil you need to fill. Every car has a label on a different location, sometime over here, here, but Subaru has a right over here. You will see its the engine size is 2.5 liter. Right, is by the group, test group, GF, X, and within a bracket is 2.5 liter. So in a 2.5 liter engine take up approximately 4.3 quarts. So once we fill this one, I'll show you how to check the correct amount. So I'm using a Mobile 1 0W20. You must have to use a funnel, otherwise it's gonna be big mess. So I'm gonna put 4.3. It's not even okay. Yeah, now it's almost, yeah, 4.3, even a little bit more. So now we gonna put this cap back, and now we have to start the engine, and we're gonna run the engine approximately 10 seconds. Then we're gonna check the dipstick to measure the oil level. Otherwise, if I check right now, it's gonna give me false reading. So you have to run the engine. Okay. So almost 10 seconds. Now turn off the engine, and now I'm gonna check the dipstick. So first time when you pull the dipstick, you just wipe this one and then put this back again all the way, and now we have to check again. So it's perfect. Your oil should be between from this dot to this edge. You have to stay between this dot. Okay, so this is the right in the middle, so it's perfect because you don't go beyond this dot. The overfilling is also not good because that's gonna be, break your all the engine seal and gasket also. Okay. Now I'm gonna tell you why you need to rotate the tires. If your vehicle is front wheel drive, you have to measure. You can buy this one tire thread measuring tool from Amazon or any other auto store. It's not too expensive, maybe a couple of dollars, $6, $7 or $10, but it's worth it. So you have to measure the tire depth, and this is close to 632, 5.5 or a 632 deep. And now I'm gonna check the back. This one is 832, which is better. We have to rotate the tire. The bag goes in the front. Yeah, almost same. And now I'm gonna check this side. Yeah, it's time to rotate the tire. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put front tires to the back and back to the front in the same row. Okay, so once I do, I'll show you after. Stay tuned, buddy. Okay, one thing, guys, I'm gonna show you when I remove this one. The stud thread is almost gone, and today I don't have a stud. And in my next video, I will make a video how to replace wheel stud, and you will be able to replace yourself. And I already changed switch rotate the tires. And one more thing, I'm using this one. You can either use this one. These are a lot cheaper than you get from a Harbor Freight. This is a 100 foot-pound, so I'm gonna use with my impact gun, or I do have the other one, the foot-pound regular bar to adjust up to 100 foot-pound. But right now I'm gonna, these are, and I'm going to use that one, and I'll show you how to use it. First you have to hang tight a couple of threads, then you have to use the socket or impact gun. I think yeah, only we need to replace the one. I don't want to put this one, and I have to remove this socket, and then this, I'm going to put this one, and then this socket, and we're going to use a crisscross pattern. Side, and now on this side. Alright guys, everything is done. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please thumbs up, and if you are new on my channel, please subscribe. And I'll post my next video, and I'm hoping all my videos helping you guys. If you have any question, comment on my video. I'll get back and answer your question. Thank you. Take care.